Rice and aloe vera glowing skin cream. Take 2 tablespoons rice and add a little water. Leave it for 7 to 8 hours until the rice becomes soft. Blend the soaked rice with 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Strain this mixture with a clean cloth to collect rice, plus aloe vera extract water. Keep 4 to 5 spoons of this extract aside. Extra water can be stored separately for later use. Now add 3 vitamin E capsules in extracted water. Make cream base. In another bowl, add 1 tablespoon Vaseline. Mix in 2 tablespoons olive oil. Stir until smooth and creamy. Add the collected rice plus aloe vera extract water into the Vaseline olive oil cream. Mix everything well until it forms a smooth cream. Store in an airtight container. Apply the cream at night on your face, neck, arms, and feet. Natural brightener reduces dark spots, tightens skin, fights dullness. Massage gently in circular motions. Vitamin E anti-aging, fights wrinkles, nourishes dry skin. Vaseline locks in moisture, prevents dryness. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants, softens skin, improves elasticity. Use the extra rice plus aloe water with a cotton pad to wipe face, arms, and feet for instant freshness. Aloe vera, deep hydration, soothing effect, reduces acne and scars, keeps skin glowing. Thanks for watching.